Tell me that's not cute. This is a moment. Lens buddy. Now I'm getting ready to walk over to like the root beer as well. Getting ready. I bought this hat from Urban Outfitters. I actually showed it in the last video that I did, the one that you guys will probably see before this one. I've been filming like literally 6 days in a row because I have nothing else to do, and honestly I've been actually really enjoying it. So I actually showed this hat in my last vlog. I did like a little unboxing with it, but I'll also have a link down below. It's from Urban Outfitters. I love it, but I just like centered my whole outfit around it, so let me show you guys that. I think this is so cute. It's like a little sporty moment. So these jeans are Zara, my absolute favorite jeans, go to, swear by them. I'm in love. Top is also Zara, gold jewelry, and then the Urban Outfitters hat. So this is what the full outfit looks on together. Tell me that's not cute. Like such a sporty, chic moment. I don't even watch baseball / the Yankees, but I think this hat is so cool. So don't come for me please in the comments. Not a Yankees fan, don't really watch baseball. If anything, I'm a Nats fan because I'm originally from DC, but I think the hat is really cute. So yeah, this is the outfit of the day. I think I'm gonna go out and walk around the city for a little bit. It's supposed to be really nice right now, but then rain later. So while it's really nice, I want to get out and about and just walk around. May go get a second coffee for the day, may go sit down at a cafe, bring my laptop, bring a book, chill out, read. I just want to get outside. The sun is finally shining after many days of gloomy weather, raining, and it being cold. I want to enjoy it while it's here because I'm pretty sure the weather is just supposed to go back to being pretty shitty again. So that's kind of like the plan for the day. My plan is no plans. Also, I didn't even intro this video. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Hannah. I do a lot of lifestyle content. I live in New York City. Fashion videos, work videos, grad school videos, you name it, I probably do it. So you should stick around and subscribe down below. Taking you guys through a little chill Sunday in my life. Like I said, no real plans. I have some grad school stuff that I could potentially do. My new class for grad school starts tomorrow. And I have a few other things I want to do, but mainly I just want to get outside. So welcome to it, welcome back. Subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and hope you guys enjoy the vlog. I was getting ready to head out and then realized that I honestly hadn't eaten anything all day and needed something in my stomach, and I didn't want to spend money on the food out since I knew I had groceries here. I'm sorry, hold on for a second. I love this look. Okay. The hat with the curls and the white shirt. This is a moment. Can we please talk about that? Can we please talk about the moment? This is a moment. I'm obsessed. Also, my makeup looks so good today. I got some new products from Sephora. If you want to know what they are, go back, watch my recent vlog, but I used the new concealer and then the lip products that I got. I feel like I snapped today. I'm a huge fan. Sometimes you just have to be your own hype man because no one else is gonna do it for you. You have to hype yourself up. All right, now that I'm done being obsessed with myself, I made a little avocado toast. It's just like my go-to. I use Ezekiel bread, avocado, everything but bagel seasoning, and then an egg on the top. And it's like my favorite breakfast ever, and I know it's gonna fill me up. So once I eat this, then I'll go ahead and head out. I just realized that I was starving, and I was like trying to rush so much, and then I was like, I don't even need to rush because it's 12:15. Have no plans to see anyone. I'm kind of like on my own schedule today, so why am I trying to rush out the door when I can just take a step back and be chill? Live in the moment. Live in the moment. Super zoomed in, my guy. Super zoomed in. I just finished taking 20 million pictures of myself. If you guys want to know a fun fact / hack for Instagram for taking your pictures by yourself. I don't know who I got this from. I definitely got it from someone on YouTube. Maybe it was Bebe Hey. I'm not entirely sure, but I use the app Lens Buddy. It's like this one on the screen. Pretty much you can set it to burst mode and you set it to how many pictures you wanted to take of you, and you can change the angles. It's just like a really good hack for anyone that takes Instagram pictures by themselves or wants to take pictures of themselves. It's kind of like a mini photographer, but like within your phone, and you don't have to nag anyone to help you take the pictures. I tend to set it to 10 pictures and 5 seconds in between each picture so that I can like readjust myself and stuff like that. And then I use my handy dandy tripod over there as well. So just took literally so many pictures of myself, and I'm gonna go through those a little bit later. But before it gets too late, because it's already 12:38, I am gonna head out the door and go probably find a coffee shop, down for a bit, explore the city, and of course I'm gonna take you guys with me. Heading out the door now. Brought a sweatshirt, have my little Brooklyn tote that I bring everywhere because it fits literally everything. Have my laptop and everything like that. I'm so excited to go enjoy the sun. It's only 61 degrees, so I'm kind of hoping that it's not cold. Also, can you guys hear that music in the background? Well, now you only hear my air conditioner, but anyways, heading out the door now. Hard to do while walking, having AirPods in and holding a coffee, but I just sat down at a coffee shop for a little bit. It was honestly really nice. I just had like some Wi-Fi issues, so really couldn't do much work, but it was nice to like chill. Coffee's really good. It was a very cute, like aesthetic little place. Now I'm getting ready to walk over to Reformation because it was like a 5-minute walk down the street, and I'm gonna do some little clothes shopping because you guys already know that I'm addicted. Got back to my apartment from being out and about. Like I said, after the coffee shop, I ended up going to Reformation. I am so sad that Reformation is so expensive because they have some of the cutest clothing items that I've ever seen. Like the cutest summer dresses. I just feel like they're so elegant and different, but it's like, do I really want to spend $200 on a dress? It'll probably be out of style next season. Probably not. I don't have that kind of money yet. Maybe one day. But it makes me sad that Reformation is so expensive because I think that they do have a lot of really cute items, but they're not super affordable. But it was just fun to go in and look, you know what I mean? Girl can dream. And honestly, they may have a sales section on their website, so maybe I'll browse that a little bit later. I honestly need to take a break from spending money because I've spent a lot of money lately, but this could be like a future purchase for the summer. You know, I need some cute summer dresses to frolic around the city in, so we shall see. After Reformation, I was walking back to my apartment and came across Union Market, and I just knew, I had a gut feeling that they were gonna have Olipop, so I stopped in, and sure enough, they did. And guess what? They had my favorite flavor. I got one of the vintage cola, and then I also got the root beer because I actually like the root beer as well. And there was only one vintage cola left. Whenever I come across like a healthy market like Whole Foods or Union Market or anything that looks super healthy and very expensive, I always stop in because I know they're gonna have Olipop. Olipop isn't being sold in like Target or Walmart or any of those stores yet. It's always in like the very bougie grocery stores. So I just have a gut feeling whenever I see bougie grocery stores that they're gonna have my favorite drink and in the flavors that I like. Luckily they did, so I went ahead and stopped into Union Market to grab those. After Union Market, I honestly just picked one of the avenues closest to me and walked straight up it to see if I could find any cute stores that I would stop in. I was just honestly exploring the city a little bit. I did find a few cute stores that I stopped in. I stopped in a bookstore. I stopped in a cute little knick-knack store. I like the stores that like don't have one specific type of item in them. They have like cooking and candles and books and decor, and it's all sort of fun. So I did that, and then I came back here, and I don't know what I'm gonna be up to for the rest of the day, but I honestly needed a break. I need to sit down. I'm probably gonna chill out for a bit, do some computer work, because I don't know if I mentioned this previously, but the cafe I was at, it was really cute, but I didn't know the Wi-Fi password for the cafe, and my hotspot on my phone was being really wacky, so I wasn't able to get any computer work done whatsoever. So I just kind of like chilled out and drank coffee for a while, and then got up and left. So I still need to do some computer work that I was trying to do earlier that I didn't get around to, so I'm probably gonna do that in a little bit and just hang out. Actually, change of plans. Before I chill out, change my clothes, I'm gonna run to Target. I should have gotten all this stuff at Union Market, but I honestly didn't think about it. My boyfriend and I are doing a little taco night tonight. I have pork tacos from HelloFresh that have been sitting in my fridge that we really need to make before they go bad. We're gonna have a little taco night, and I figured that fresh guac would honestly pair really, really well with it. So I'm gonna go pick up the ingredients for that. I need like avocados, tomatoes, jalapenos, literally pretty much all of the ingredients. And I wish I thought about this when I was at Union Market, because Union Market has really fresh produce, but I didn't think about it. So now we're gonna run to Trader Joe's / Target really quickly before I change out of these clothes and chill out for the rest of the day. Just got back from Trader Joe's. I got 2 avocados, 2 tomatoes, whole bag of cilantro, 2 limes, and jalapeno peppers. I already had the garlic, the salt, and everything like that. If you guys want to see the guac recipe that I'm following, you can screenshot this. I'm not going to follow the amounts or the measurements within the recipe. I'm just following the ingredients. I've never tried it before, so I can't recommend it yet, / don't even know if it's good. But I'm sure I'll give you a recommendation in this video on whether or not we end up really liking it or not. But I feel like these are very basic guac ingredients, so I don't see how we could go wrong unless we just completely mess up the salt, the garlic, and the pepper situation. So we'll see how it ends up. Trying to get this week in my life uploaded for you guys. If you know my struggle with Spectrum. It is a pain in the butt to get vlogs uploaded, and typically I don't upload them here. I'll upload them somewhere else because it just goes a lot faster. Wanted to talk to you guys about Summer Fridays because, guys, this is worth the hype. This is the Summer Fridays lip butter balm. Basically, it's like a cross between a lip gloss and chapstick, I would say, but I am a big fan of it. I bought this from Sephora yesterday. This was in my Sephora haul. If you guys haven't seen that, go back and watch it. I'm a huge fan of it. Also, the packaging is just so pretty. Summer Fridays knows what they're doing for sure. This is what it looks like on. I feel like it makes my lips look very luscious and glowy. Also, it tastes so good. It tastes like a vanilla cupcake, which I'm here for. Oh, literally the flavor is vanilla. I didn't even see that. So it tastes exactly like the flavor / smell of it. Also, it's vegan. I didn't realize that. So for all my vegan gals and guys out there, you would probably like this. Really big fan, and I just figured that I would share it because I've heard so much about Summer Fridays from a lot of influencers that are sponsored by them, but I've never actually heard about Summer Fridays from people that aren't sponsored by them. So here's a very real, authentic review from someone that is not sponsored by Summer Fridays. This is worth the hype. I really like it. Sorry if you can hear the music. My neighbors are playing music really loud randomly at 10 a.m. on a Monday. I completely forgot to end off the vlog last night. I didn't even show the guac or the tacos or anything, but they were really good, so definitely would recommend that recipe that I showed if you guys need a good guac recipe to follow. But gonna go ahead and officially end off the vlog. I wanted to just do an official outro rather than just ending it, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.